Welcome back. This is Ancient UFO Geometry, Histories and Mysteries, where we go through logical conclusions that any normal human being would totally make. So, we were analyzing some hieroglyphics, from the pyramids, and there was a particular shape that had a very particular ratio of measurements between each one of the sides of the shape, and then the number of sides of the shape, and the number of points, and the number of angles that correlate to every other angle that goes inside this shape. And when we heard this, we said, you know what? That shit is complicated. Ain't no way, ain't no ancient people out here making all this complicated ratios between all these edges and sides and these millions of angles and geometries and different connections between all the sacred mysteries and all the schools and all of the neurons in the brain. If you know what I'm saying, drop a brain in the chat. Drop a brain in the chat. Let me see them brains. Thank you. Thank you. So, what this means is, and what we concluded this might be and mean and come out to be, whatever conclusion you might conclude from this, what we concluded was that if this is what it might be they say it means, then that means that it is what they say it might be. And if it is that thing that it might be, then that's what it means. Anyways, these ancient hieroglyphics, you guys, they're trying to tell us, it's all about the snakes.
Listen.
It's all about the snakes, you guys. It's all about the energy of the planet and the snakes. I'm trying to tell you guys, this means what you think it means. What do you think it means? Drop what you think it means in the chat. Drop what you think it means.
Yes. Y'all following this one?
We like to collaborate on these things. So anyways, just, eat them apples. Don't get that knowledge. Create that bipolar duality of all manifestations of reality. And just keep doing you. Because that's what you do. No one else can do you.
This is what you came for.
Shines every time.
That's what you came for.
So looking at you.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. And everybody's watching her while she's looking at you. You.